Hey everyone, welcome to Takwa Bay, Lagos, Nigeria. Beautiful beach, clean, serene. Um, it's a weekday, so that's why I sort of isolated. You know, I'm not sure if you can. I hope you can hear me because I'm not. I don't want to wear the mic, but I actually didn't bring it with me. I forgot it at home, so it's a little windy, but I hope you can still hear me. Um, so I've got the beach there. It's clean. Um, that's Eco Atlantic is somewhere that way. Let's see if I can zoom it. Eco Atlantic is that direction, and clean white golden sand, and there's lighthouse further down there. I'll go there. I probably can see the lighthouse. So Atlantic Ocean is further down there. Okay, all right, everyone.